Hi, this is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets. I wanted to showcase what happened today, October 31st. Our trading session was interesting. We had some really choppy markets initially, kind of flatlined into some of the pairs, and other pairs were just back and forth. You really couldn't get a direction on them. But with patience and perseverance, things started to pop and snap for a lot of us. I wanted to just showcase a couple of the trades that were taken by myself and another trader. By the way, these trades I'm showing to you are actual trades taken in live accounts, not demo account trading on these. So this is real live money that was made today by both of us. But here you can see a 38 pip movement for Alberto going long in the pound Aussie, and a little bit later you can see here he took another position in the same currency pair for 49 pips. I mean, that pays the bills right there. It's just fantastic. Really excited about that. But you can see a lot of the feedback from a lot of the guys that are involved as well, and a lot of these guys are trading too. They just didn't showcase any at the moment, but very excited. There's a lot of camaraderie here. I'm very excited about that as well. And new students are coming in all the time, learning what it's all about. But let me just show you another trade screen here. This was one I took. I took this one here, a little bit later entry, but it was based off of good movement and good patterning. Was able to capture 17 pips out of this 50 pip swing here. This was taken about the same time that Alberto's 49 pip trade went off, and we were talking about it. And I was actually watching this exact pair right in this area and toggling between it and the pound Aussie while I was communicating with Kirk about trending signals and counter trending signals, which is a big part of our trading program in the 15-5-1 strategy, but also was discussing currency pairs with Alberto behind the scenes, and happened to be on this pair when I saw this signal go off right here, and took the position, put a 15 pip trailing stop, and as you can see, pulled out 43 pips. This could have been an add-on position had I been watching this exact chart a little bit earlier, and would have had a position right here as well, but or about right in here. But the beautiful thing about this is that it's live money. It's real live trading. People are really getting involved. Oh, here's another trade taken by another student. Here's another 50 pip trade in the euro dollar going short. Pretty excited about that as well. That came from John. We are all over the globe. We got people in almost every continent that we work with and collaborate with on a daily basis inside the forum here and in our pip club. If you'd like to learn how to get involved and be able to start making pips just like this, please like and subscribe here. Check us out at our website, the link below, and we look forward to seeing you on the other side. This is Jed Norwood signing off.